Nice. As you bring your awareness to the shoulders and the neck. The ears, your jaw, your chin, your cheekbones, the back of the head, your nose, the temples, your eyes, the forehead, and the top of the head, the crown. And you may have noticed a few or many thoughts come across your desk here, and that's all good. That's normal. We're just allowing ourselves this time to listen, to notice. So you're doing great. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And as you exhale, let it out through your mouth with a little sound. Ah. Inhale into the nose. Just notice, really listen, lean in and see if you can sense whether you are exhaling out through one nostril more than the other. See if there's a dominant nostril that you're breathing. And exhale out through the mouth with a little sound. And now seal the lips. Inhale in through your nose. And exhale out through your nose. And keep doing this. And as you breathe in and out through your nose,